I'm Chef Jeff Seligman. I've tasted many meatballs in my time. My mother used to poach her meatballs in tomato sauce, my favorite method. In a food processor, mince separately carrot, celery, and onion. Then in a saute pan, heat 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. When hot, add the mirepoix. Saute until soft and translucent, approximately 10 minutes. While the mirepoix cools, take a large bowl and add panko, milk, loosely beaten egg, dried oregano, onion powder, garlic powder, along with salt and pepper. Wait approximately 10 minutes for the breadcrumbs to get moist and the dried spices to hydrate. Then add the ground turkey and mix, being careful not to overmix. Adding water is necessary to make the meatballs firm enough to hold their shape, yet wet enough to be light when poached, forming the mixture into 8 meatballs. In a large saute pan, bring 2 quarts of prepared basic tomato sauce to a slow boil. Then set the meatballs into the boiling sauce. After you have set all the meatballs into the sauce and it is returned to a boil, reduce the heat to medium. The key to this recipe is getting the consistency right so that you can form the meatballs and they stay together while poaching in the basic tomato sauce. This will make a soft, light meatball. Allow the meatballs to poach in a partially covered pot approximately 90 minutes. Customers, clients, and friends have asked me for alternatives to beef and pork. I've taken a traditional family recipe to making my great meatballs with ground turkey, served here with pasta. Enjoy.